Hi you guys and welcome back. So I am here with the third swap from the swap that I had with Elizabeth, who is beadybombom, which is this one right here, Anna and Sandy. Now if you haven't checked the other two videos, I'll go ahead and link them down below. So let's get to it, you guys. I am super excited because oh my gosh, these ladies are so super talented, you guys, and I feel very honored to have something created by them. Now I don't think I have anything created by Elizabeth other than the other little swaps we've done in the past, which is like a few years back, and so I'm really excited about this. So look how cute everyone has been packaging their items, you guys. Oh, I feel so bad that I don't do that. And I am opening this after I have sent mine out because I don't like to open swap until mine are sent, because that is just the way I work. I don't know why. I just feel guilty opening them before I send mine out. Okay, so here is some shredded paper, and then inside it looks like here is the swap. This right here. Oh, I see more stuff in here. Okay, so you know what, let me go ahead and take everything out. But as you can see, everything is very well packaged. Oh, a die, and yes, okay, that's it. So let me show you what she sent. Oh, and here is a die from LDRS, and if you know me, you know that I absolutely love dies. Here is a Okay, so here is a card. So I'm not gonna go ahead and read it on camera because, you know, I choose not to. I don't know if she would want me to. And I think this is the, oh my goodness, look how cute this baggie is, you guys. It has snowflakes, and I'm assuming this is the actual swap. Wow. Okay, if you guys don't know who Elizabeth is, she is beadybombom, and her style is, she used to be shabby chic, but now she is more like, I don't know what word to describe this new type of more modern crafting that everyone's been creating, but her attention to detail is amazing, you guys. She puts, you can tell the love and work that she puts into her projects with all of the details is just amazing. I love going back to her older videos, and I'm talking about older, like year, 2 years, even recent videos, because she puts a lot of work, and I love all those little details that she puts into her projects. For example, this, you guys. I mean, look at that Christmas tree. Look at that tree. It has like all the little details that she's added. Look at all the layering. Look at this, you guys. I don't know if she made this trim or not, but I've seen this before, and it's just so beautiful. Here is this pom-pom trim, and now this paper is from, because I have it, I think it's called Sugar Plum, and it's from Michael's, and she added all of this snow tech to it. All of this texture is now, she added, oh my gosh, I don't know if she added this or if it's a sticker, but it looks like textured. But these tiny little bows, you guys, and this one says hello snow, and there she is, beadybombom Elizabeth, and I mean, she's amazing, you guys. So I hope you check her out. I'll have a link in the description box. So let me go ahead and open this up, and it is Velcro. And oh my goodness, you guys, look how adorable this is. I love it. So here is this cluster right here as decoration, and then in here it's a loaded pocket with several pockets. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Okay, so here is the front. Oh gosh, I hate to take everything out, but if I'm going to show you what everything is in here, then I guess I might as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this tag. This is what I'm talking about. Look at all the details. I mean, there's so much to look at. She has this type of fabric. I have no idea what it's called. There's this sticker, this like music sheet, that doily that's covered with glitter, and then these flowers, and the gingerbread girl, the heart. Everything is just so beautiful, and her layering is just amazing. I love it. Here is a tag that says, "Oh, so jolly." So I'm going to put that back because I really like the way that looks. And then what else is in here? Let's see. And then in here, oh my gosh. Oh gosh, look at this. These tags. I think these are from the paper collection. You know what? I'm going to open this one up because, oh my gosh, you guys, it's just so beautiful. I don't know if she's done a video on this. I'm sure, because if she does, then she'll probably explain it better. Wow, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. There is so much going on in this really small project. But look at that. Oh gosh, she is just amazing, an amazing crafter, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then in here, in this bigger pocket, let me go ahead and take this out. Okay, so here are these snowflakes. Oh, these are really pretty. I actually have some of these and I like to use them on my projects as well. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so let me show you really quickly the tags. Here are some of the tags that this came with. Now, this paper collection was really pretty, you guys. I like the fact that it was pastels, but also because it had lavender in it. And not a lot of the pastel collections have lavender, and this one did. So it was really pretty. And you guys, oh my goodness, this is amazing, you guys. Here I am talking about it without having to show it to you yet, because I want to take it out of the bag before I show it to you. This is wow. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm keeping all of this to myself. I'm not going to make them. I will not use them in a project unless it's for me. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I mean, wow. This, and that's what the back looks like. She finished that off. Oh my gosh. This is just so beautiful, Elizabeth. Oh my goodness, you guys. Seriously, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh gosh, you guys. I don't know. I just feel bad because I feel that... Okay, I'm not going to talk about it anymore, about my project. I feel like my project is so simple. Anyways, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day as you're watching this. Oh, wait, I'm not done. There's something else. Oh my gosh, how can I forget? There was something else in here. What the heck is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. I've never seen this before. What? Wow, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. This, wow. I am speechless. Literally speechless. Oh my, wow. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. And then to make some hot chocolate and then some candy to go with it. And everything fit in here so perfectly. And then a bunch of little miniature stuff to add to future projects. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Elizabeth. This is amazing. This itself is incredible. Oh my goodness, look at that. And it stands, of course. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. This is, wow. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I can't stop saying that. But anyways, you guys, now I am done with this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Elizabeth's YouTube channel. I'll have it in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to all of our channels. I will also have in the description box a video to what Sandy sent me and a link to the video of what Anna sent me. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.